If just thinking about Monday makes your energy drop, you're not alone. But here's the good news. You don't have to dread the start of every week. With just a few small productivity habits, you can set yourself up to roll into Monday calm, focused, and ready to go. Here's the trick. Monday actually starts on Sunday. Instead of stumbling into the week already behind, carve out a little time on Sunday morning or even the afternoon to review your calendar, organize your priorities, and prep for what's ahead. As professional organizer Amina puts it, this frees up your Sunday evening for true downtime. It makes Monday morning far less stressful. By taking that small step, you'll find it so much easier to hit the ground running without the temptation to procrastinate. Rachel Rosenthal, another expert in organizing, explains it best. You'll not only improve your productivity on Monday, but you'll also create a more structured, efficient routine for the rest of your week. Translation: less stress, more focus, and way more wins every single day. Here's how to plan ahead for a smoother start on Monday and a more productive week overall. Rising to Be, with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/rising to be or become a channel member for exclusive videos and more. Visit risingtobe.com for all your planner and stationery needs. Only at risingtobe.com, helping you plan for what's to come. Tip 1. Kickstart momentum with small wins. Sometimes the best way to beat Monday sluggishness isn't by tackling the biggest project on your plate. It's by knocking out the easy stuff first. A quick win gives you a little dopamine hit of accomplishment and helps you to build up momentum for the rest of your day. Not every Monday begins with boldness motivation, says professional organizer Laura Kinsella. When my energy feels low, I start with small, quick wins, like responding to a simple scheduling email. These bite-sized tasks help to build momentum for tackling bigger projects. Think of it as priming the engine. Those small, manageable tasks clear mental clutter and ease you into a productive flow, making the bigger challenges feel less overwhelming when you finally get to them. And here's the beauty. Whether you start with a heavyweight task or a featherweight one, what really matters is forward motion. Choose the approach that fits your energy, and you'll turn Mondays from a dreaded grind into a launch pad for the rest of your week. Tip 2. Make Sunday your reset button. Think of Sunday as your chance to smooth out Monday before it even starts. A little prep goes a long way, whether that's laying out your clothes, tidying up the kitchen, or setting the coffee machine so it's ready to greet you in the morning. Professional organizer Laura Kinsella of Urban Organize puts it simply: these small actions create a calm morning, freeing up my energy for work priorities and handling any unexpected hiccups. And here's the real magic. Sunday resets aren't about doing more work. They're about creating space for ease. When you start the week feeling prepared instead of rushed, you'll carry that calm momentum forward. Monday becomes less about catching up and more about showing up. So before you call it a night, take 10 minutes to reset. Your future self will thank you when you wake up on Monday feeling one step ahead instead of 2 steps behind. Tip 3. Save the heavy lifting for Tuesday. Instead of cramming high-stakes deadlines or even big presentations into your Monday, give yourself a bit of breathing room by pushing them to Tuesday. Leave Monday as a day for prep and productivity without the stress of performance, says Amelia Mina. Shifting those pressure-filled tasks by just one day can make such a huge difference. Letting you start the week with focus and momentum instead of anxiety. Think of Monday as a launch pad, not your finish line. Use it to plan, organize, and clear smaller tasks off your plate so that by the time Tuesday comes around, you're primed and ready to take on bigger challenges. It's a simple mindset shift that transforms Monday from a source of dread into a foundation for a more smoother and successful week. Tip 4. Focus on what really matters first. Mondays can feel overwhelming when your to-do list looks a mile long. But here's the truth. Not everything needs to be tackled at once. Just because it's Monday doesn't mean everything on your list is going to get handled, says Ann Lightfoot, co-founder of Done and Done Home. Instead, zero in on the top 3 tasks that will truly move the needle. By starting your highest priorities, you'll feel accomplished faster and build momentum for the rest of the week. And remember, productivity isn't about cramming in everything. It's about focusing on the right things. When you give yourself permission to start small and strategic, Mondays stop being a mountain to climb and become a springboard for the days ahead. So take a breath, pick your 3, and get moving. The rest will follow and you'll end your Monday knowing you set the tone for a smoother, more productive week. Tip 5. Kickstart your Monday with a head start. Sometimes all you need is a little extra space in the morning to set the tone for your week. If Mondays really cause you a lot of stress, you may want to wake up a little bit earlier than usual, says Ann Lightfoot. Even a half hour can give you the jumpstart you need to feel in control for the rest of the day or even your week. Use the quiet time intentionally. Review your to-do list, sip your coffee without rushing, or knock out a small task before the chaos begins. Starting your day with purpose can create a ripple effect, helping you feel calmer, more organized, and more productive well into the week. Tip 6. Clear the chaos, clear your mind. A messy desk equals a messy headspace, and the last thing you need on a Monday. A clutter-free environment can significantly boost your focus and overall productivity, says organizing expert Rachel Rosenthal. Before diving into work, take a few minutes to clear away unnecessary items. File those loose papers and remove anything that doesn't serve your priorities. A clean, organized workspace doesn't just look better, it creates the mental clarity you need to stay sharp and on task. Think of it as hitting the reset button. By starting your week with a fresh, distraction-free environment, you're signaling to yourself that you're ready to take on what matters most. Small changes like this may seem a bit minor, but they add up and they're the foundation for a smoother, more productive week ahead. Tip 7. Cut the noise, boost your focus. Phones, emails, and notifications are of course amazing tools, but they can also hijack your productivity in a heartbeat. I set clear boundaries based on the day's demands, says Kinsella. On client days, I check my email about twice, once in the morning and once in the afternoon. On work from home days, I slot email check-ins between my tasks. I also silence social media notifications. Managing what constantly demands your attention helps you to stay on track and get more done in less time. Even small changes like turning off push notifications or even using focus mode on your devices can make a huge difference. When you consciously decide what deserves your attention and when you reclaim control over your day instead of letting distractions control you. Tip 8. Conquer the big one first. Nothing feels better than crossing the toughest task off your list before lunch. When you take care of the most difficult item early on, everything seems a bit easier in comparison, says productivity expert Rachel Rosenthal. Tackle that project you've been dreading head on. Set a timer, shut down extra tabs, mute notifications, and give it your undivided focus. Once it's behind you, the rest of your day will feel lighter and more manageable. This approach isn't just about efficiency, it's truly about momentum. By proving to yourself that you can face the hardest challenge first, you create a ripple effect that carries into everything else that you touch. It's the difference between a Monday that drags and a Monday that drives. And when you end the day with more energy than you started, that's how you know you set the tone for a truly successful week ahead. Fuel your morning right. It might seem a bit small, but a solid breakfast sets the tone for your entire Monday. You can't focus or bring your A game if you're running on empty. If you struggle to have a positive attitude at the beginning of the week, make sure to take the time to have a nourishing breakfast and hydrate throughout the day, says Lightfoot. Little things can make a big difference in your outlook. Think of breakfast as your first productivity tool of the day, paired with hydration and a few moments of mindful breathing or even journaling. And you'll give your brain and body the energy you need to tackle tasks with clarity and confidence. Starting the day well isn't indulgence, it's strategy. Tip 10. Build momentum with small wins. Not every Monday greets you with boundless motivation, and that's okay. On those slower mornings, starting small can be the smartest move. When my energy feels low, I start with quick wins, like responding to a simple scheduling email, says professional organizer Laura Kinsella. These bite-sized tasks give you an instant sense of accomplishment and spark the momentum you need to take on bigger projects later in the day. Think of it like warming up before a workout. Small tasks loosen up your focus and ease you into a productive flow. By stacking those little victories, you create a rhythm that carries you forward. Whether you begin your week with a big leap or a few steady steps, the goal is the same: to keep moving with intention. And once you find that rhythm, you'll not only survive Monday, you'll set yourself up to thrive all week long. Bonus: pause to power up. When your focus starts to slip or the Monday blues hit, don't force it. Take a break. Step outside for fresh air, stretch, or just reset your approach, says Kinsella. Productivity naturally ebbs and flows, and embracing breaks is essential for maintaining efficiency and avoiding burnout. Pushing through when you're mentally drained only slows you down in the long run. Even short, intentional pauses can do wonders for your energy and clarity. Use those moments to recharge, refocus, and come back to your tasks with a sharper mind. Think of breaks as productivity fuel. They aren't downtime, they're power-ups for your brain. Share this awesome episode with someone you know who needs it to help them plan for what's to come. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hate for you to miss the next episode. Now, let's get into our recap. So let's do a quick recap just in case you missed a tip. So let's do a quick recap just in case you missed a tip. Tip 1, kickstart momentum with small wins. Tip 2, make Sunday your reset button. Tip 3, save the heavy lifting for Tuesday. Tip 4, focus on what really matters first. Tip 5, kickstart your Monday with a head start. Tip 6, clear the chaos, clear your mind. Tip 7, cut the noise, boost your focus. Tip 8, conquer the big one first. Tip 9, fuel your morning right. Tip 10, build momentum with small wins. And our bonus tip, pause to power up. If you look at what you have in life, you'll always have more. If you look at what you don't have in life, you'll never have enough. Oprah Winfrey. I just want to take a quick moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/risingtobe or become a channel member today. Thanks again for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or in your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode.